Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Let's finish cooking and see how all those delicious flavors come together. Pairing honeyed pork with side dishes. Honeyed pork shines when surrounded by the right sides. The key is balancing its rich sweetness with fresh, savory, or tangy accompaniments. Whether you're serving it for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion, these pairings will round out the meal perfectly. Vegetable pairings. Vegetables cut through the sweetness of honeyed pork, adding crunch and freshness. These options work best. Steamed bok choy. Light and slightly bitter. It offsets the glaze's richness. Roasted Brussels sprouts. Their caramelized edges and slight bitterness complement the pork's sweetness. Pickled vegetables, daikon, carrots. The vinegar tang cuts through the fat. Grilled asparagus. Smoky char pairs well with sticky pork. Cucumber salad. Cool, crisp, and tossed with rice vinegar for brightness. For a simple fix, toss any leafy greens with a sesame garlic dressing. The nutty, savory notes balance the honey glaze. Starches and grains. Starches soak up the glaze and make the meal more satisfying. Try these. Jasmine rice. Fluffy and fragrant. It lets the pork take center stage. Garlic fried rice. Adds a savory punch. Perfect with Filipino tocino. Buttery mashed potatoes. Creamy texture contrasts with sticky meat. Wide egg noodles. Toss them with scallions and a drizzle of the pork drippings. Crusty bread. Ideal for mopping up extra glaze from roasted pork. If you want something lighter, quinoa or coconut rice adds subtle flavor without overpowering. Mix and match these sides to create a meal that highlights the honeyed pork without overwhelming it. The goal is harmony. Sweet, salty, fresh, and hearty all in one bite. Health benefits and nutritional information. Honeyed pork is more than just a tasty dish. It packs protein, vitamins, and minerals while satisfying cravings for something sweet and savory. But like any indulgent food, balance is key. Let's break down what's in it and how to enjoy it without overdoing it. Nutritional breakdown. A typical serving of honeyed pork, about 4 ounces, 113 grams, including glaze, provides roughly calories 280,350. Varies based on cut and glaze thickness. Protein 2226 g. Supports muscle repair and keeps you full. Fat 1520 g. Mostly from pork, with some saturated fat. Carbs 1218 g. Mostly from honey and added sugars. Iron 10–15% of daily needs, important for blood health. Zinc 20–25% of daily needs, boosts immunity and metabolism. Honey adds trace nutrients like antioxidants, while soy sauce contributes sodium. Opting for leaner cuts, like loin over belly, reduces fat, but the glaze keeps the dish higher in sugars. Balancing indulgence. Honeyed pork is rich, so enjoying it mindfully keeps it part of a healthy diet. Here's how. Control portions. Stick to 3–4 ounces servings. Pair with veggies or salads to fill your plate without excess calories. Adjust the glaze. Thin the honey with citrus juice or vinegar to cut sugar content. Or brush it lightly instead of drowning the meat. Pick leaner cuts. Pork tenderloin or loin chops work if you reduce cooking time to prevent dryness. Balance the meal. Serve with fiber-rich sides, steamed greens, quinoa, to slow sugar absorption. You don't have to skip it. Just tweak how you prepare and pair it. That way, every bite stays delicious without derailing your health goals. Honeyed pork proves that simple ingredients can create unforgettable flavors. It's the kind of dish that feels special yet approachable, whether you're eating it at a festival or cooking it in your kitchen. The sweetness of honey, the richness of pork, and the depth of spices come together in a way that's hard to resist. Try making it at home. Experiment with different cuts, marinades, and cooking methods. Or explore its global variations, from char siu to tocino, to discover new favorites. Once you taste that sticky, caramelized glaze, you'll understand why this dish has stayed beloved for centuries. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.